In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the hood on this 2016 Toyota Scion. Alright, so this is the 2016 Toyota Scion, and we will be opening up the hood inside of this video. So once you open up the car and you're looking in on the driver's side, on the bottom left, there is a pull lever that has the icon of a hood right here. So you'll go ahead and grab this and pull it, and then you'll hear a click. What you're doing is this pull lever is connected to a wire, and that wire, as you pull it, is releasing a latch on the hood. So now you'll see that the hood is elevated about 1.5 inches, but you'll notice that it doesn't open up all the way. It still has a restriction. So what you need to do is, if you look at the center, there is a lever here. You're gonna reach your hand in and push that lever counterclockwise, actually. This is actually kind of a frustrating design. It gets a little bit tricky. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the camera closer so that you can see the latching mechanism. You see that there in the center, there's that red rod, and you can see the latch is connected to it. So that's what's holding this hood down right now. So when you reach in, you're gonna touch this lever, and lifting up from the center doesn't do anything, but if you lift up on the right side of the lever, then you'll see how it's starting to twist counterclockwise. That is how you release the hood on this vehicle. It's not lifting in the center, that just bends this tab. You have to lift, look how I'm only holding on to the right side of the lever, and then that gives me the ability to push from a counterclockwise perspective, and then you can lift and release. After you do that, you can grab the rod for the hood right here, lift it, place it right there to hold the hood open. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your project.